welcome back to our channel. We actually had an ice storm. The trees look beautiful even though I'm afraid to be standing underneath them. I'm just gonna go around and show you guys some of our Christmas display. Enjoy. Probably the reason we really like to light up the farm is just for a purpose, to be outside at night on these cold nights when you really just want to be snuggled up inside. It's just a good reason to get out. We have a food drive going so people can drop off food for the local food pantry, and people can come and walk around at night on the weekends and check it out, and it's just great family time for the holidays. Guys, take a look at some of these trees. Aren't they just absolutely amazing? I mean, there's just something about everything frozen in time that is just beautiful. Something about being out after a storm that's so quiet and crunchy and just absolutely magical. Makes you feel just like a kid again. It's the gnomes and the Disney characters, and I don't know, something about just being outside with the ice. Hi, Ava. You going on a walk? Oh, Paul, come here.
Come here. Come here. Mama get you. Come here. It's icy. Does that hurt your paws? Come here. Good girl.
And because there's a sheet of ice under here and it's like cracking when you walk, Daisy is afraid to walk. Well, she's used to ice fishing, and if she was breaking through, she'd be drowning. Willow, on the other hand, is bouncing and running around like it's nothing, and that's the difference between a 3-year-old dog and now an 8-year-old dog. So guys, I hope you get some time to drive around with your family and enjoy some Christmas lights. Even though we live in this winter wonderland, we're always out driving around looking for lights. It's just great family time together and something to do in the winter. I want to know if you guys do that. Let me know in the comments. Do you go driving around with your families looking for awesome holiday lights? So I just wanted to thank everyone for tuning in today. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share this around. And I hope you get a chance to come to the farm. And if not, have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. Thanks for watching.